It's Friday and the start of the Memorial Day weekend, so how about a little good news for a change just to end the work week?
WGN's Aaron Ivory joins us from home with your Feel Good Friday roundup. Hi, Aaron.
Hey, that's my thing, right, friends? So this week I've got one heck of a good deed. I've got some really generous kids and a family who has found a really unique way to keep things light. Here we go. After torrential rain on Sunday night, viaducts were filled with standing water, impacting not only cars, but dozens of tents providing shelter for the homeless. Michael Earhart, who has been helping to feed Chicago's homeless for years, was the first to show up.
He was just like, Mike, we lost everything. And I said, don't worry, we're going to get through this. So I just went into operation. We need to get this done.
Earhart set up his grills to cook up a hot breakfast and then pulled every waterlogged item out from under the Lawrence, Wilson, and Belmont Viaduct. Back home, his wife Pamela put out a call for help, and within the hour, cars started showing up.
I got Sheila said she's coming in, Tracy said she's coming in, NAFG said they're coming. It was just like a lot of people just saying that they wanted to donate and help. Where was he?
Everybody has been showing up and out.
Yeah.
This one lady, she didn't want me to mention her, pulled up today with a hole, looked like she put the Target store in her truck.
By that afternoon, every tent, cot, and clothing item had been replaced due to the Earharts and the kindness of strangers. Generosity didn't stop there. Over at Tinkerworks, a startup Chicago educational program, middle school students are using 3D printers and laser cutters to manufacture face shields. Already, they have donated over $7,000 worth of shields to area hospitals, police, and fire departments, supporting hundreds of local frontline workers. And finally, you gotta love this Chicago family who has found a way to cut through all the negativity online with their daily posts. Every day for the last month, this young family has dressed up as a different duo: Thelma and Louise, Carol Baskin and Tiger King, Chris Bryant and Javi Baez, the Joker and Harley Quinn, even Wayne and Garth.
We have to just find all the things at our house, and somehow we always are able to do it.
The times we're in today, it's rough out there, so we just got to throw out some positivity as much as we can. So that's why we're doing it.
And they are certainly doing it. The Burke family is not only giving these really funny posts every week, but they're also anonymously sending out or leaving gift bags for families with young children. And they've been doing that for the last couple of weeks too. So just all kinds of goodness out there. I love the heart of these people. So I've posted a couple links if you want to know more about their good works with this story on WGNTV.com. You guys have a wonderful weekend, and I'll be back with some more good stories come next week.